Hi there. Thanks for taking a minute to learn a little more about Kannu, our learning management system. Kannu is our platform for digital learning, enabling the delivery and documentation of instructional courses for personal and professional development. We build Kannu because we believe in the power of digital learning to make ordinary learning experiences extraordinary, to connect global audiences, scale businesses, and give someone a meaningful education. Kannu is built by some of the world's leading experts in digital learning, a passionate team of world-renowned educators, artists, and engineers. It is used by universities and colleges around the world, businesses of all shapes and sizes, and entrepreneurs and nonprofit organizations to provide unique online programs and certifications, distance learning, training, and onboarding. Our LMS is beautiful, easy to use, and supportive of new interactive technologies for cutting-edge companies and educators who want to provide their learners with a unique, media-rich experience. Kannu comes fully equipped with essential tools to deliver impactful learning experiences, such as interactive video content, lesson plans, user management, LTI integration, and calendars. But what makes Kannu truly unique are the interactive course galleries and discussion forums, which are great for facilitating peer critique and collaborative work. Also, our instant messenger and participation-based assessments keep users connected and engaged. Users even get their own portfolio where they can showcase their certifications, projects, skills, and progress. Our emphasis on communication and collaboration extends beyond just being your LMS provider. Our partners consistently find that we are people who care deeply about their goals and needs. So whether you're launching your very first class or you have an established online program and are looking to grow, our award-winning team will work closely with you to help you get where you want to go. So how about a test drive? We would love to set you up with a sandbox trial so you can begin to see for yourself how Kannu can help to solve your needs. And if you have questions and want to chat with one of our online learning specialists, we're always here to help. Contact us anytime at kannu.com.